Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to perform a clean installation of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 driver on Windows 11 or Windows 10. First, open the NVIDIA driver download page in your browser, link in the video description. Select GeForce RTX 50 series, then choose GeForce RTX 5090 or RTX 5090 laptop GPU, depending on your device. Next, select your Windows version, Windows 11 or Windows 10, and click Find. You will see the latest GeForce game Ready driver. Click View, download and wait for the file to download. Once downloaded, run the .exe file, click Yes, then Agree and Continue. Select Custom Installation, click Next, and check Perform a clean installation. Click Next and let the installation finish, then restart your computer. After restarting, the clean installation of the NVIDIA RTX 5090 driver will be complete. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.